This kit, this kit box is designed by Orcam Teaching Aid in order to study the stereochemistry of organic compound. Every organic compound have a definite structure. In order to study the structure of organic compound, this kit is designed and developed. In this kit, there are 31 components. In previous video, we have described sp3, sp2 and sp hybridized carbon atom. In this video, we are going to describe sp3, sp2 and sp hybridized nitrogen atom. This is sp2 hybridized nitrogen atom. It is sp3 hybridized nitrogen atom and it is sp hybridized nitrogen atom. Three types of nitrogen atom are there: sp3 hybridized nitrogen atom, sp2 hybridized nitrogen atom and sp hybridized nitrogen atom. During formation of ammonia in sp3 hybridized nitrogen atom, there are total 7 electrons. In nitrogen atom, there are total 7 electrons. Out of that 7 electrons, 2 electrons are in inner shell and 5 electrons are in outermost shell. In sp3 hybridized nitrogen atom, there are 4 sp3 hybrid orbital. 1, 2, 3 and this is the fourth sp3 hybrid orbital. In this fourth sp3 hybrid orbital, there is a pair of electron and in remaining 3 orbital are present. Remaining 3 sp3 hybrid orbital present 1 electron each. During formation of ammonia molecule, 3 sp3 hybrid orbitals of nitrogen atom containing 1 unpaired electron align themselves properly with s orbital of hydrogen atom and give formation of ammonia molecule. This molecule is ammonia molecule, NH3 molecule. This molecule is ammonia molecule, that is NH3 molecule. This is NH3 molecule. This molecule is NH3 molecule. NH3 molecule, this NH3 molecule is pyramidal, trigonal pyramidal, and H and H bond angle, this H and H bond angle is 107.2 degree, 107.5 degree. It is 107.5 degree. It is expected that H and H bond angle to be 109.5 degree. It is expected that this bond angle should be 109.5 degree, but due to force of repulsion exerted by non-bonding pair of electron on H and H bond, this bond angle is slightly reduced. That is, force of repulsion is exerted by non-bonding pair of electron on 3NH bonding pair of electron, and therefore this bond angle is slightly reduced. This bond angle is slightly reduced. This is ammonia molecule. Ammonia molecule is distorted tetrahedral. It is not a regular tetrahedral molecule. It is distorted tetrahedral molecule. having pair of electron. It is about sp3 hybridized nitrogen atom. Now let us see sp2 hybridized nitrogen atom. This is sp2 hybridized nitrogen atom. In sp2 hybridized nitrogen atom, 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals are present in a plane at the angle of 120 degree. 3 sp2 hybrid orbital, 1, 2 and 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals are present at the angle of 120 degree. Out of 3 sp2 hybrid orbital, 1 sp2 hybrid orbital is containing pair of electron. That is, atomic orbital or hybrid orbital containing pair of electron cannot give formation of a covalent bond. This pair of electron cannot give formation of a covalent bond, but it can give formation of coordinate covalent bond. This is sp2 hybridized nitrogen atom. In nitric acid, this nitrogen atom, nitrogen atom is sp2 hybridized. Nitrogen atom is sp2 hybridized. Let us see the structure of nitric acid. This is sp2 hybrid orbital of nitrogen atom. This sp2 hybrid orbital of nitrogen atom overlap axially with sp2 hybrid orbital of oxygen atom containing one unpaired electron with opposite spin and give formation of nitrogen oxygen sigma bond. This is the pz atomic orbital of nitrogen atom. Pz atomic orbital of nitrogen atom containing one unpaired electron overlap laterally with pz atomic orbital of oxygen atom containing one unpaired electron of oxygen and give formation of pz pi bond. In this manner, there it is nitrogen oxygen double bond, NO double bond. This sp2 hybrid orbital of nitrogen atom containing one unpaired electron overlap axially with sp3 hybrid orbital of oxygen atom and give formation of NO sigma bond. This sp3 hybrid orbital of oxygen atom containing one unpaired electron overlap axially with s orbital of hydrogen atom containing one unpaired electron and give formation of OH sigma bond. This is nitrous acid HONO. This is nitrous acid HONO. Nitrous acid. Nitrous acid HON double bond O. This is the nitrous acid. This is nitrous acid HONO. Now this pair of electron present on nitrogen, on nitrogen gives formation of coordinate covalent bond with oxygen and thus is obtained nitric acid. Coordinate covalent bond with oxygen and give formation of nitric acid. This is the nitric acid. This is the nitric acid, HNO3. This is nitric acid. This is nitric acid, HNO3, nitric acid. Now let us study sp hybridized nitrogen atom formation of sp hybridized nitrogen atom formation of N2 molecule. In nitrogen molecule, N2 diatomic molecule of nitrogen, N triple bond N, N triple bond N, N triple bond N, two nitrogen atoms are sp hybridized. This is sp hybridized nitrogen atom. In sp hybridized nitrogen atom, there are two sp hybrid orbital. This is sp hybrid orbital of nitrogen atom containing one unpaired electron, and this is sp hybrid orbital of nitrogen atom containing pair of electron. It is py atomic orbital of nitrogen atom containing one electron, and it is pz atomic orbital of nitrogen atom containing one unpaired electron. Now let us see how formation of N triple bond N, that is formation of N2 molecule take place. How formation of N2 molecule take place? During formation in N2 molecule, two nitrogen atoms are sp hybridized. Sp hybrid orbital of nitrogen atom A containing one unpaired electron overlap axially with sp hybrid orbital of nitrogen atom containing one unpaired electron and give formation of NN sigma bond, NN sigma bond. Pz atomic orbital of nitrogen atom A containing one unpaired electron align itself properly with pz atomic orbital of nitrogen atom B containing one unpaired electron, overlap laterally and give formation of pz pi bond. Similarly, py atomic orbital of nitrogen atom containing one unpaired electron align itself properly with py atomic orbital of nitrogen atom B containing one unpaired electron with opposite spin, overlap laterally and give formation of py pi bond. Thus formation of N triple bond N take place. In N triple bond N, this is N2 molecule. In N triple bond N, there is one nitrogen sigma bond, one nitrogen pi bond, py pi bond, and pz pi bond. There are two pi bonds and one sigma bond. It is a sigma bond, axial overlap, and these two are the lateral overlap. Two lateral overlap are present perpendicular to each other at the angle of 90 degree. This is N2 molecule. This is N2 molecule. Thus, we have seen sp3, sp2 and sp hybridized nitrogen atom. For if you are willing to have the kit, contact us on 98230-14748 or contact us on WhatsApp number 93258-76983. 93258-76983. 93258 76983.